Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Weekly Forum. The forum is a high-impact live webinar exclusive to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. Every week, we take video recordings of the forum, convert them into bite-sized pieces, and upload them onto our YouTube channel. This helps you revisit key ideas at your own time and pace, and also share them with friends and get their feedback as well. We use the forum to share not only large caps, but also small and mid-cap ideas, as well as core thematics. This week, we will begin by looking at Q&M Dental Group, listed in Singapore. We will then inspect the case for Sony in Japan, and finally, we will look at Nidec. Q&M Dental, the ticker is QNMSP. The market cap is $260 million, making it a small cap on the platform. And we will be looking at a recent insight from Tina Banerjee today. For those of you who are not familiar, Q&M operates dental clinics and is the largest listed pure dental play in Southeast Asia. For the first 9 months of 2022, its core healthcare revenue increased 3%, and it continues to point towards a fairly secular trend in its growth over the last several years. Q&M added 11 new dental clinics in 2012. In total, it now has 106 clinics in Singapore and 45 in Malaysia. Tina notes that its core dental business is well positioned for accelerated growth, with China and Malaysia now opening. We will now move on to Sony. The ticker is 6758JP with a market cap of over $100 billion. Today, we will inspect the insight from Mark Chadwick on the company. Sony as a name doesn't require an introduction. However, for those of you who might not be too familiar, Sony manufactures game consoles and other IT products. Its other businesses include music, movies, as well as PC entertainment. Sony's Q3 operating profit fell 8% year-on-year to 428 billion yen, but importantly, this was better than consensus estimates by as much as 15%. Sony's PlayStation 5 has now sold over 32 million units, finally shaking off the supply chain constraints it previously had. Mark continues to remain bullish on the stock and believes that it shows excellent value on 15 times earnings. It remains a core play on content creation and digitization due to its unique blend of software and hardware resources. Finally, we will look at Nidec. The market cap is $31 billion. This is a share price chart that is trading very, very close to its one-year lows. Nidec is a manufacturer of small precision motors, extending its focus to home appliances as well as the automotive markets. Nidec slashed its full-year operating profit guidance by as much as 48% to just 110 billion Japanese yen, and that was a big driver for its share price drop. For its third quarter, Nidec reported an operating profit of 28 billion yen, which was significantly below expectations of 51 billion. Despite all this, Mark remains bullish on the name. He expects cost-cutting efforts to ignite a profit recovery this year. Its key growth driver remains its automotive business. The number of vehicles that have adopted its e-axle has risen by 175% year-on-year, as you can see from the chart on the right-hand side. If you like the ideas but have follow-on questions, please continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope you found the forum useful and hope to speak to you again next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching and see you next week.